If this equation is true for all x, what is the value of 6a minus b? If the equation is true for all x, that means the equation has infinitely many solutions. If we simplify the expression on the left-hand side, that's 18x minus 12a plus 4. The right-hand side, minus 2bx minus 10 minus 8x. So on the left-hand side, we have linear term 18x and the constant negative 12a plus 4. On the right-hand side, we have linear term negative 2bx minus 8x and constant negative 10. Since this equation has infinitely many solutions, we must have a same linear term, same constant. So first, 18x must be equal to negative 2bx minus 8x. And if we factor x on the right-hand side, that's going to be minus 2b minus 8. So 18 must be equal to negative 2b minus 8. 18 is equal to negative 2b minus 8. Then 26 is equal to negative 2b. Then b is negative 13. Now if we look at our constants, we have negative 12a plus 4. So negative 12a plus 4 on the left-hand side. Constant on the right-hand side is negative 10. Negative 10. So negative 12a is equal to negative 14. Then a is 14 over 12. If we simplify this, 7 over 6. So what is the value of 6a minus b? 6a minus b is equal to 6 times 7 over 6 minus negative 13. So that's 7 plus 13, which is equal to 20.